Hello students, welcome back to the English class. Today we will discuss poem My Shadow. Let's begin. Observe your shadow. Does it move with you? Does it sit, stand and run along with you? Yes, it moves with you. Does it look the same in the morning, afternoon and evening? No. It doesn't look the same in the morning, afternoon and evening. Let's read. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very little like me from the heels to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Students, you know what are the rhyming words in this poem? Me, see, head and bed. Okay. Students, you know who is talking about his shadow? How old do you think the boy is? You can see here in the picture. This is a boy who is talking about his shadow. Next, the funniest things about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Students, India rubber ball means India rubber ball, a kind of rubber ball that bounces very high when thrown. आपने देखी होगी कि छोटी सी बॉल होती है रबर बॉल, आप खेलते हो जिससे जब उसको नीचे फेंकते हैं तो एकदम से बाउंस होते हैं ऊपर की तरफ. दैट इज इंडिया रबर बॉल. हियर यू कैन सी बॉय सेज इंडिया रबर बॉल की तरह जो शेडो है वो एकदम से ग्रो करती है, टॉल हो जाती है और एकदम से लिटिल हो जाती है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. He doesn't got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He says so close beside me. He is a coward, you can see. I had things shame to stick to nursery as that shadow sticks to me. Students, notion means idea. Okay, he says the shadow hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of boy in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me, boy said. He is a coward, you can see. I had think shame to stick to nursery as that shadow sticks to me. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose up and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Students, dew means tiny drops of water that gather on plants at night. आप मॉर्निंग में देखते हो ड्यू पड़ी होती है प्लांट्स पे, छोटी छोटी औंस की बूंदें, पानी की बूंदें बूंदें जैसी होती हैं. बटरकप, a kind of flower, you can see here. This is a buttercup flower. And errant means complete or thorough means पूरी तरह. So the boy, you can see in this poem in previous page. On previous page there is a boy child, a child who is fascinated by his own shadow. You can see here. As this poem for children, it is written from the perspective of a young child who finds pleasure in the company of his own shadow. He amazed to see how the shadow follows him everywhere and shrinks and grows. So students, we have completed our poem. Thank you.